Hey everybody, this is Donnie from Adex Clubs, and today I'm here with Carlos of Kettlebells and Coffee, and we're going to demonstrate 4 fundamental exercises everyone who's swinging steel clubs should know how to do. So the first exercise that Carlos is going to demonstrate is the one-handed front swing. He's going to stand with his feet in a neutral position under his shoulders. Weight on his feet is going to be mid-foot. He's going to be about a foot back from the club that he's using. And he's going to bend forward, hinge at the hips. Bend forward, grab his club, get ready, swing back, and use his hips to drive the club forward. Notice all the power is coming from his hips. Now, we're going to kick this exercise up a notch by going into a one-handed front clean. And Carlos showed them that, and there he goes. Carlos is doing this with his free hand, able to protect his body so when down he could not have to use his free hand as a safety hand, and he's built up the pathways to do that. So this is how you progress to the front swing, the front clean, right here. The second exercise that we're going to talk about, you can rest now, man. The second exercise that we're going to talk about is the side swing, and this is very unique to club training. Carlos, would you demonstrate the side swing? He's going to grab it with his free hand. Arm is long and locked. Notice that he's slightly bent at his knees. Feet are shoulder width apart. And he is going to swing out to the side. And as he does that, notice the external and internal rotation. Externally rotating as he goes upward, you see his fingertips showing. And as he comes across his body down in the low position, you could see his knuckles. Boom. Now again, with the free hand, you could turn this into a side clean. Right there, safety movement. Notice Carlos is following his work by watching where it's going till he develops this. Now he can do it as a regular side swing without the safety hand. There we go. And put it back. Cast it outward and put it back. Boom. Excellent. These are 2 exercises that everyone who's training with steel clubs needs to know how to do, and then the 2 progressions from there where you go into the clean from there. Develop these both, you're going to have solid club training and club work under your belt. See you guys on the platform. Peace.